So I want to drive it just to make sure we're going straight with our wheel. And this thing had an alignment done, I don't know, 10,000, 20,000 miles ago. So it should be pretty true. I love the look of it though. So we're not far from the highway here. Yeah, I think it's good. I think we're sitting pretty good. So we'll run down here. We're going straight, I'm not touching it. It's just a little bit to the left, but it's hard to tell because these trucks have a weird cover. Like, see how the cover leans? And the wheel actually doesn't sit perfectly straight up the driver. There's a little bit of a outward tilt on it, which is goofy, but I think I'm happy with it.